Hello everyone, happy Friday. If you're hopping in, that means you are watching the replay. So type hashtag replay so that way the video will bump up. And if you're hopping on live, say hi, do a smiley, or let me know what kind of shopping you guys are doing for back to school. I know most of them are starting somewhere from now to next month. For us, usually it used to be August. I think it always says it can be only after August 24th or something, but I think this is the first year we are going to be early. I think there was a convention. I'm not sure whether it's still happening, but I think it's if it is there, that's the reason we got pushed earlier for this year. And the convention is going to be here in Charlotte. I think president is going to be here, so that's the reason they wanted to push the dates for the school. So earlier also they wanted to have the school started and then have it for what is the online for a week, and then to move it to in person. But as you know, with the COVID everything happening, it didn't do that way. So it's going to be online from now to at least Jan end for us. So we will be starting school in a week, so which is crazy because I think we all are used to not being in schedule for the past how many months. I think it's going to be, even though they had school around March, since it was closed all of a sudden, they didn't have that much online proper schedule. So but this time they said that it's going to be like a full-fledged school with grading and everything. So we are looking forward for it because I know it's little tougher for the kids to sit 8 hours online, but with the situation going on, there is no other way. So let's see how it goes. And this is the eye look. I think I already did once. I don't know what I made, but at that time I didn't have sapphire shimmer, so I did it with another color called lapis glitter. That will be little darker blue, I guess. So this one went perfectly with my sari so for today. So that's the color I picked. It's very very simple eye look. It's just 3 shades if you ask me. And if you're not even going to color correct and use like your concealer or even your CCTM or foundation, then it's just 2 shades I used. It's completely opposite from what I did yesterday. I think, yes, yesterday I did one of them, I think the Galloway, which is like having a glitter shadow on the outside and a matte shadow inside. This is opposite to that. Here I have French Roast, which is like a coffee brown shade, like a matte shade on my outer corner, and also my lower lash line to smoke out. And I have Sapphire Shimmer, it's like a copper sulfate blue. I have it on my inner corners to match the sari, and also I have brought it in to blend it with the inner corners. So that's the one I have it for the eye look for today. So just that. And since I wanted it to little more smoke out, I have used the black brown pencil in my waterline. So up, and I have used the non-waterproof mascara for the look. So that's it for the eye look. And I wanted to pick, I have few colors in mind which I wanted to do for this look. One of them was Dahlia, but I wasn't sure whether it will go because I picked an orange accessory. That's because I think the sari had a little bit of orange to it. So since the sari is like in monotone and I have made my eye look along with it, I thought why not do any of these 3 my favorite fall shades. I think we are anyway getting into the fall mode, so I wanted to pick one of these ones for the look. All 3 are like my favorites. what I have here is persimmon from the permanent line. The other two are from the limited edition. Even though they all look what is it, like closer to each other, but when you apply them, they look little different from each other. That's what I would feel, because maybe I will do like a swatch comparison of all these burnt orange shades. These will look really amazing on brown skin tones, and they will be like a perfect everyday neutral, like how Bella can be worn by anyone for like a everyday office look or something. Same way these will go really well, and all three colors go applies really smooth. As I said, the consistency of each Lipson shade may be little different from each other. So but these three I never had any issues while applying. I think I wore Currant recently. Maybe I will eliminate that since I wore it already. Maybe I'll pick one from Brick or Persimmon. Maybe I'll go with Brick for today, because as I said, these colors can be even, for example, if you're looking for an ombre look, ombre lip look, where you can do a darker outer corner and light shade in the middle. These go beautifully with Glam Doll. Let me see where I have Glam Doll here. I think this is my limited edition alone. You can use Glam Doll along with this, or you can even use like a color like Star Garnet. When you do just the outer line with a dark color like that, and even I think the black cherry would work well. Let me show you those next to each other. You can see when you do these kind of combos, they will really look nice, because you can do the outer layer with a color like Glam Doll and fill it in with Brick. So if you are someone who likes to experiment like those kind of different looks, then make sure you try these kind of colors, and they go really well when you layer them too. And I was busy cleaning up this week. I just what is it, like, it makes life easier when I have everything named, color coded, and all the limited editions in one, and all the permanent lines in one, and I do have all the glosses in one place too. So that way you can easily grab it instead of searching for them again, because I think close to, I have 120 shades as of now. And thank you so much for everyone who took time to vote for my picture, and I really appreciate doing that. And the other thing I wanted to mention is the sale for body lotion and body scrub is till today. So if you're looking to grab those, grab it, because anytime 15% is the maximum discount you will get from Senegen's. So I mean, even if I am allowed to give, that will be the maximum discount I can give. So I love body scrub, because as I said, if you have like a chicken skin or scaling, it is good to exfoliate all over your body. If you are someone who likes to even do like a waxing or quick shave, these will help to eliminate the dead cells. And also, I know most of you will have a problem of like ingrown hairs. So for all those, it will be really helpful. So let me go ahead with my first layer. Always make sure you stretch your lips a little bit. That way it makes it really easy. these three shades, you can never go wrong with any of the skin tone, whether you are light, fair or medium. These will be amazing actually. I like to go little outer, little what to say, like more than my actual lip line, because when you do that, your lips tend to look little bigger. So that's the one reason. If you are thinking that you have a very thin lips or something, make sure you line them over your lip line. That helps actually real. And what kind of gloss we can do? Maybe we can do like a golden iris, or we can do, if you want to make it more oranges, you can do fiesta gloss kind of, but I am not in the mood for that. I can do like let me show you the colors once I do. And there is going to be a fun announcement on this Sunday. Hopefully, if I can, what is it, like a hop on live. So don't miss that. I will make sure I will do on a time where everyone is available. I know whenever I do my lives on Fridays, it's really early for most of you. So let me go ahead with the second layer of brick. Use really thin layers, then you won't have any issues at all while application. So this is just 2 layers of brick. Let me show you some other color combos for the gloss. I can even do like a pearl glass. I never did pearl glass. Maybe that may be a good choice for that. Or these metallic duos, like the ones which came. I think this spicy cider will look really nice. This is like a, what is it, like a, it has like a little bit of glitter, but it has like a I think it has apple cider kind of a flavor. And I can do like pink prism. What else I have? Let me show you the final ones. So let's go ahead and finish the third layer, and then we'll pick the gloss on top of it. I wanted to do like each week a little different, that way I don't do the same thing. Oh, I was like, where did I go? I think I pulled it hard. And you don't have to do 3 layers if you don't want to. If you're someone who are okay with, like, even if it lasts 2 hours or 3 hours, start with, even when you are trying a new color, start with even 1 layer or 2 layers first. Yeah, so that's 3 layer of brick. If you are a matte lover, these 3 shades will be your go-to, because all 3 will be like goes really well, and you can even layer them with a red, or even for what is it, like a brown. You can layer them, and the color will look really beautiful on top of them. Let me show you the glosses. You can see these are just glosses. We can even do like a, if you want to do like a matte gloss, we can do like a creamer or a hazelnut matte, where you will just Even Bella would look really nice on top of this. Bella or Praline matte. I think I'm more into these matte glasses these days. I'm I'm trying to deviate. Otherwise, I think I'm reaching out more for them actually. Even the citrus glass will look really nice on top of this. And what else? Yeah, I think these are some of my top choices if I think so. And Soulmate will look good. So it's up to you whether you want like a glossy look or you want like a matte look. So if you're looking for something matte to go with it, then pick like a as I said, Bella matte or Praline matte, or you can pick any one of these. Even a normal matte glass like this is like our clear matte glass. So even a clear matte glass will look nice on top of this. Or if you're someone who is like a glitter lover, you can pick these kind of glasses. So let's do one of these. Like I have pearl gloss, I have golden iris, which is I think it's been so long since I did golden iris if I remember, and I had the spicy cider. So any of these will look really nice on top. Let's try golden iris first, because anyway I have gold accent to this. So let's try golden iris. Do you see the difference of how a matte glass will look and how a glitter glass will change? So the same color can look really different with different glasses. So it's the convenience of you customizing it based on your preference and based on the occasion. I think I really like it. Where is it? So it's brick with the golden iris. That's what the combo I did. And the Instagram giveaway is going to be over by, what is today? I don't remember. Is it 7th or 8th? It's 7th. So today is Friday. So it's Saturday, Sunday, Monday. Monday is the last day for the Instagram giveaway for the complete lip sense starter kit. So it's going to end by Monday, and I will most probably try to do my giveaway the next day if possible, and post it. So if you are looking to add a color, you can still do there. And I think that's the thing I wanted to share about today, because I think I covered with the body lotion sale. I think I have covered the Instagram giveaway, and I also mentioned about the Sunday live. So don't miss any of those. And the new colors have been already ordered. The fuchsia, the Big Apple, Big City collection, Big City Shadow Suns, everything is coming on Wednesday, if I'm not wrong. So if it reaches on Wednesday, let's open it on Wednesday live. So that's it. Have a wonderful weekend. See you all soon.